everyone. Sorry, I know it's been a while. I was working off and on and didn't really declutter yet. So anyways, I got a clear bin now for my craft birthday card making stuff. I got these cute penguin stickers for Christmas cards, so I'll leave that on top. We got the Christmas bin down today and I found Christmas cards I can reuse. And one gift bag I can reuse. And sorry, my throat's a bit sore right now. So yeah, just make sure to go through, like if you have like papers for crafts, cutouts, old cards you can reuse, like you can cut parts out. So I made, well I can't show them because they're for this year, but I made a couple cards so far. Christmas cards, I was cutting stuff out, and I made my mama card just because I missed giving cards out this year and it felt really bad, so I'm still going to make a Christmas one. I want to keep the Christmas stuff on top though, since that's right now. So I'm just putting all the paper in here and other cards I can reuse. And envelopes I can reuse. So I had an idea with an envelope I'll show you later after Christmas, and the Christmas stuff still in a video after Christmas. So I wanted to put all this random stuff in this one bin. And I have little things in a Ziploc that I had lying around that I just don't want anymore. So it's for my nieces and nephews for Christmas. Put all that together. This can all go in here because it's just craft stuff I had separate that I might use. And I do have a giveaway box I started, but so far it just has one thing of Halloween stuff for the window from Halloween that I tried this year. So I gotta go through things and see what else I'm adding to that. I guess I can put this Christmas stuff here now. The Christmas stuff on the side here. And so I'm going to try making more videos every now and then. And hope everyone's doing good out there. Take care.